Hi, everybody. Happy Friday to you. 3 News senior meteorologist Matt Wintz with a look at your forecast. Thanks for taking time out of your day to join us here on our YouTube channel. In terms of the forecast for the weekend, we've got a very active pattern coming our way, and we're going to be dodging rounds of rain. We have a pretty good idea when those rain areas will move through, but again, keep the rain gear handy all weekend long. We'll start with tomorrow, though. We're well into the 70s. We've got temperatures that'll get only hold into the 60s tonight, so it'll be a real nice start tomorrow morning. Warm if you're having coffee on the porch or heading out for early plans. Again, 70s in the afternoon. We'll have sunshine mixed with clouds. Can't rule out stray showers from time to time. There's just a lot of moisture around. And then the best chance of rain moves through Saturday night into Sunday, where I'm expecting rain to be confined to the first half of the day. Should dry out as we get into the afternoon, into the evening, and then we watch storms erupt to the west that would likely roll through sometime late evening into the overnight. But I've got us up near 70 again Sunday. That's hinging on sunshine. If we don't get that sun, we'll be a little bit cooler. But either way, nice mild weekend. Here's how it plays out. We've got scattered rain and storms around today. Those head out. Here's your evening with temperatures surging into the 60s as that warm front lifts north. We'll stay in the warm sector of the system tonight. So overnight lows, we're barely going to drop. We're going to stay in the 60s tonight. Good windows open kind of night. We'll stay dry. And then here's your Saturday. Mix of sun and clouds. I agree with this. We'll have a stray shower or two from time to time as some moisture moves up through Ohio. Overall, looking at mainly dry hours tomorrow with highs in the 70s. And then Saturday evening, if you've got plans, that's when I'm expecting the rain to be moving in. And we're looking at some rain and storm chances Saturday night into much of the first half of the day Sunday. You can see we're now up to Sunday afternoon. The rain finally pushes out. We get another break. Temps get up near 70, and then we await a powerful cold front. This thing, especially with the Storm Prediction Center's latest outlook for it, is going to create widespread severe weather and perhaps damaging winds and tornadoes, not just from the Great Lakes, but all the way down to the deep south. This is going to be a big severe weather event to watch on Sunday. We'll get the northern fringe of that with some leftover storms. These could still pack a punch depending on the timing. Again, we're looking at Sunday evening into Sunday night with the arrival of the second line of storms. And this is the one that we'll have to watch. Eventually, it'll head on out on Monday. A lot of rain coming our way. Could see over an inch of rain by the time Sunday evening rolls around. So make sure the storm drains are clear, stuff like that as we've got that rain coming. All right, here's your long ranger forecast. There's your round Saturday night, Sunday. There's your break. This is the Euro, a global model, so it's not quite as high res as the one I just showed you, but you can see it's picking up on this as well. There's that line of storms Sunday night into early Monday. We'll turn cooler on Tuesday. That happens to coincide with April Fool's Day, so there you go. It's going to be in the 40s, may have a snowflake or two. We'll dry up briefly, and then we bring in another system. This one's going to open up the Gulf, and we're going to have a ton of moisture with this. As of right now, the way I see this playing out is a round of rain and storms on Wednesday next week. We would have a round of perhaps strong storms on Thursday with heavy rain, and then another low would develop and come up through Ohio, keeping that rain coming through Friday. We'll continue to keep an eye on the timing of this. But you get the idea. There's a lot of rain coming our way. In fact, the Euro has a good portion of the Ohio Valley all the way down towards the Tennessee Valley with amounts that could be over 5 inches before all is said and done. Remember, that's not for everyone. That's the potential, though, as we go into next week. So real rainy, active week. Union Home Mortgage 10-day forecast. We've got the 70s for Saturday and Sunday. Turning colder on Monday, especially as we go throughout the day. That temp 63 will likely drop in the afternoon. 42 on Tuesday, and then we're right back to the 60s to near 70 with multiple storm chances Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We've got another very important update on the TV side of things at 4 o'clock. We'll highlight the timing and any model differences there. Enjoy your day, everybody. We'll see you then.